Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore products that truly make a difference in your daily routines. If keeping your smile fresh and healthy is on your list, you're going to want to pay close attention. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an honest review that could change your beauty and wellness game. Today, we're looking at the Oral-B Pro Health Pulsar Battery Toothbrush in a soft blue, a pack of 2. This is a battery-powered toothbrush designed to tackle plaque more effectively than a standard manual brush. It features vibrating bristles to help break up plaque between teeth, and Oral-B claims it can remove up to 90% of plaque in those hard-to-reach areas. The bristles are also treated with Microban technology, which inhibits the growth of odor-causing bacteria on the brush itself. Starting with how it feels in daily use, I found the brush to be surprisingly lightweight and easy to maneuver, which makes brushing more comfortable, especially for sensitive gums. The vibrations aren't overly intense, striking a nice balance between effective cleaning and gentle care. Using it in my morning and evening routine, I noticed that it really reaches the back molars better than my manual brush, leaving a cleaner, fresher feeling overall. However, because it's battery-powered, the brushing experience slightly changes as the battery weakens, so keeping an eye on battery life is important. On the plus side, the bristles do feel hygienic thanks to the Microban protection, and the brush handles are easy to clean. On the downside, once the battery runs out, the handle can no longer function until replaced, so there's a slight cost over time if you go through batteries quickly. The brush also doesn't have a built-in timer, so you'll need to keep track of your recommended brushing time yourself. When it comes to value for money, considering it comes as a pack of 2, it's reasonably priced for people who like to keep one in the bathroom and one for travel or for another family member. The cleaning performance is solid and noticeably better than manual brushing, especially in tight spots, which justifies the investment. Comparing it to other battery-powered brushes, it's more basic than some higher-end electric toothbrushes with multiple modes or timers, but for a straightforward, effective clean, it holds its own. The build quality feels sturdy, and the simple design makes it easy to maintain. As for longevity, the bristles maintain their shape well over a few months of regular use, and the handle seems durable. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. I haven't personally interacted with Oral-B's customer service, but the brand is known for being reliable and responsive if any issues arise. For alternatives, if you're looking for a lower-cost option, standard manual brushes or other basic battery toothbrushes can offer decent plaque removal, though they may not match the Microban Hygiene feature or the effective vibration of this model. Overall, the Oral-B Pro Health Pulsar is a dependable choice for anyone looking to elevate their oral hygiene without jumping into a high-tech electric toothbrush. It's simple, effective, and gives you that fresher, cleaner feeling after each use. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, the link to get your own is in the comments below. If you've used this toothbrush, drop a comment and share your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.